So follow me and I'm going to show you what I do, my troubleshooting steps to see what's wrong with this laptop. Now this kid was like going into 8th grade, so he was in 7th and 6th and 5th grade when he had this, so who knows what happened to it. Okay, you know those kids. Okay, let's go. So here it is, it's a Dell Inspiron. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check this power cord just to make sure that it is indeed good. And it is indeed good.